I'm going to show you how I got my 1,000 subscribers in just 2 days, guys. So stay with me and let's move over to this video. So I have 2 steps that I did. I did the first step, which is the collab step, and the second step, which I call the sharp tip step. So the first step is the collab step. Let's move into the video. Go into my app, my YouTube app. I already did a video on that, so I had just go back to that video that I did. Tap on that prosperity X, tap on that plus sign that you are seeing there. There's a plus sign there, you see collab. Once you see collab, tap on collab, then it's going to pop up like this. And once it's pop up like this, the next thing you have to do is to change the seconds and drag it to where you want it to stop. And make sure when you are doing this, make sure that the video that we're going to use has a subscription question, like have you subscribed to this channel, or have you just make sure that the video say something about subscription if you know that you want to get subscribers from this. So I tapped on this, then I now put the time that I wanted it to be. After putting the time, I have to start recording. You now go on. After putting the time, setting the time that and the space or you want it to be, just hit on your record button, hit on next, and it's going to go to record. Then you now record your face. I'm going to record your face doing exactly what they are saying in the video. Like this video is put a finger down if you think that key is hate edition, something like that. That's what the video is talking about. So I'm going to start recording. Then you have to put a facial expression, because some of these people that is watching this video, they always like your facial expression. Once your facial expression is not giving, they will just swipe away. So you have to put a facial expression, make it real, make it like you're recording a real video. You understand what I mean? Then after I must have recorded it, you just have to record it. Then make sure the part they said subscribe to the channel appears. Once that is done, just go to good, just click on that good that is there, go to next. Once you go to next, you're going to put your caption. You're going to put your caption. First of all, you're going to go to alternated and make sure you put alternated no. Then put your caption, put exactly the thing that they wrote in that video that you're collabing with. And I just copied everything that is there. I copied and paste. And to my hashtag, I just made sure that I tapped those hashtags. I put some things that they are missing, because once you copy and paste, some things will be missing. I just added this thing that is missing. I just added that, put a finger down. Then make sure that my hashtag is exactly the hashtag they are using in the video. You understand? Then just remove one. Once you copy and paste, once you remove one letter, the hashtag will pop up and you tap on the hashtag, that particular one that you want. Then make sure you put not meant for kids. Make sure it's not meant for kids, then you upload your video. That's how simple this method is, and this method is going to get you a lot of subscribers. I said a lot of subscribers because I have videos that I did that I got 200 subscribers from one video, but something subscribers for one video, it's something subscribers for one video. And there is a lot of video that I did that I got so many subscribers from just doing this. Then the second one is the one I called sharp. What I mean by sharp, this second one is the wunge of all the wunge. I so much love this second one so much. Then the only thing you have to do, go to that video that has that particular sound, sound that is asking people to subscribe to their channel. Click on it, click on the sound, the sound icon, then click on use the sound. Once you click on use design, it's going to appear. Select any picture, any video of your choice. It can be a picture, it can be a video. Select it, then click on done. Once select it, just allow you to sing, maybe to check whether you have any how to off the sound. Click on next, click on that done that is there. You can see done there. Click on done. Once you click on done, it's going to process. Once it's done processing, then you're going to off the sound. If the video has sound, just off the sound. It's 100, but just off the sound. Just move it to 0, -0. Then go to next. Once you are done offing the sound, just go to next. Allow it to process. Once it process, you're going to put the title of that song. That's the key. The key is putting the title of that song and the hashtag that comes with the song. You understand? That's what you have to be. This one say please don't scroll with hashtag, with all these hashtag. This is how you're going to do it to get your 1,000 subscribers in just 2 days. Once you are considering this, I doubt you're going to hit your 1,000 subscribers. Then once you put on, you do everything, make sure you put this alternated content. No, click on alternated content, click on no, make sure you put it on no, make sure the audience is not meant for kids, that you can now upload. And once you upload, my dear, yeah, you will see the wonders. You will come and thank me later. Please, if this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and more tips like this.